Hi friends, and welcome back to Viber Creative. Let's check out this camera from Reolink. It's the TrackMix Wi-Fi. Huge thanks to our friends at Reolink for sending us this camera to test it out in our creative way, Vibler style. If you're thinking about buying this camera, well, stay with us. We're gonna take it outdoors, set it up, show you the tech specs, and of course we're gonna talk about auto tracking because this is the fun part. In the box, you'll find the camera itself, the mounting plate that can help you mount the camera on the ceiling or on the wall. You have the power adapter, and for this you have an extension power cable and 1 meter Ethernet cable. Keep in mind that this camera doesn't have a battery inside, so it needs to be powered by cable. For example, there's a 4G version that comes with the batteries inside. Thanks again Reolink for sending us this camera, and don't forget to subscribe if this inspired you, like this video, and tell us in the comments, how do you use this camera? Do you have a whole setup with the hub or just one camera in the woods? Write us in the comments.
Now let's install it. We position it here. And the cable is back here.
We will use this camera connected with the power cable and with the internet cable. On the app, you can see both cameras at the same time. One is wide angle and also telephoto, and you can zoom and see closer what's happening outside. We set up the camera outside just for testing, powered through a cable with the internet plugged straight into it. This thing actually has two lenses, one with a fixed wide view, and the second one can either stay wide or zoom in right from the app. When you turn on tracking mode, it zooms and follows people automatically, even if they're running. You can tweak the settings however you want, even tell it to track cars or just set it up to fit your needs. It works great in the city and in the countryside, and of course it's fully weatherproof. Underneath the waterproof flap, it has the reset button and the micro SD slot. It also has a microphone and a speaker. We brought this one to the village, where we also have another battery camera, the Reolink Altas. You can use it as a standalone camera, or you can hook it up with others through the Reolink Home Hub. It also has two built-in LED lights, so at night it can light up the scene and give you a clear, full-color image. This thing we're doing right now, it's a very simple setup. Yes, we have a camera, but you can take your phone and record yourself while doing the business you do. Our goal is to inspire busy entrepreneurs to share their experiences on YouTube. If you're a business owner, we encourage you to start and grow your YouTube channel where you post on a weekly basis. This will inspire others to do what you do. If that sounds like your lane, hit subscribe and stick around. We're building something big here. See you in the next one. Stay creative and start growing.